Have you ever wondered what causes the global climate changes? Our planet's climate is a complex and dynamic system, always in flux. While many of these changes occur naturally, human activities too play a significant role in influencing this balance. From forest fires to melting ice caps, the evidence of climate change is all around us. But it's not just about what we do on land. The ocean plays a crucial role too. One of these natural phenomena that have significant impact on global climate is La Niña. But what exactly is La Niña? La Niña, also known as the little girl in Spanish, is a natural event that plays a big role in our global climate. To understand La Niña, it's essential to first understand the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO cycle. This cycle involves fluctuating ocean temperatures in the equatorial Pacific, and La Niña and El Niño are opposite phases of this cycle. Imagine a seesaw. On one side, you've got El Niño, and on the other, you have La Niña. When one side is up, the other is down, and vice versa. Now, if we translate this to ocean temperatures, El Niño is the phase when the waters in the equatorial Pacific are warmer than usual, and La Niña is the phase when these waters are cooler than usual. It's like a dance between fire and ice, with El Niño as the fiery flamenco and La Niña as the icy waltz. Historical data from the mid-80s to the mid-10s of this century shows these alternating periods of warmer and cooler sea surface temperatures. So, why does this matter, you may ask? Well, these temperature shifts don't just stay in the Pacific. They can impact weather patterns around the globe. For instance, during a La Niña phase, we can see warmer winters in the southeastern US and cooler winters in the northwest. Understanding La Niña and El Niño gives us insights into the intricate workings of our planet's climate system. It's a fascinating dance of nature that impacts us all, whether we're climate scientists or simply enjoy a sunny day at the beach. So, how does La Niña affect global climate? Let's delve into that. La Niña's cold ocean temperatures have a profound effect on our global climate. This cooling event, characterized by lower than average sea surface temperatures in the equatorial Pacific, plays a significant role in our weather patterns. For instance, let's look at the United States. During a La Niña year, the southeastern US often experiences warmer winters. So, while you may be expecting frosty mornings and a need for heavy coats, La Niña may have other plans, bringing mild temperatures and lighter wardrobe choices. On the other hand, if you're in the northwest, you might find the winters cooler than usual. Imagine sipping on hot cocoa a little more often or needing an extra blanket at night. But remember, these are just examples. The effects of La Niña stretch far beyond the US borders. From Asia to Africa, Europe to Australia, La Niña's influence can be felt. It can mean more rainfall in some areas, droughts in others, and even impact cyclone activities in the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. So, while we might not control these natural climate phenomena, understanding La Niña helps us anticipate and adapt to these weather changes. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of our world, a reminder that what happens in one part of the globe can ripple across oceans and continents. La Niña might be called the little girl, but its impacts on our climate are anything but little. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about La Niña. La Niña, Spanish for the little girl, is a phase of the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO cycle. This cycle, like a seesaw, has two sides. On one side, we have El Niño, which is marked by warm ocean temperatures in the equatorial Pacific. On the other side, we have La Niña, defined by its cooler than usual ocean temperatures. Historical data shows that these temperature variations during La Niña and El Niño events have significant global climate impacts. For instance, La Niña typically brings about warmer winters in the southeastern US, while the northwest experiences cooler winters. But remember, these are not just weather phenomena. They're important pieces of the larger climate puzzle. Understanding these natural events like La Niña can help us better prepare for and respond to global climate changes. So keep wondering, keep questioning, and keep exploring the world of climate science.